Hey everyone, Drew from Kubar's here in the Kubar's bar. Lucas is with me. Lucas, come here.
I'm good, how are you, Drew?
Very good, thank you, mate. One of our star mixologists here today. And we're going to be showing you out there how to make a bee's knees, a wonderful lemony, honey, gin style cocktail. It's a delicious cocktail, Lucas. Let's get into it. In fact, before we do that, what are the ingredients we need to make the bee's knees today?
All right, we're going to use gin, we're going to use orange juice, we're going to use lemon juice, and honey.
Excellent. And you may have like a pre-packet lemon juice out there that you may have got from a Dan Murphy's. That's perfectly fine. Today we're going to use a fresh lemon.
That's right.
And we've got a honey, a juice, a gin. All right, Lucas, let's get into it. How do we do it?
Let's do this. Sounds good. Let's start from 15 ml of lemon juice.
Excellent.
I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon here. It's just a bit less than half, a bit less than a quarter of a lemon.
Wonderful.
You can use your jigger just to help you measure it if you want. It's the small side of your jigger, that'll be 15 ml.
So we've done about 15 ml into our cocktail mixing glass.
That's
of course,
correct. Boston glass just in front of us.
Okay, excellent. Lucas.
Now we're going to use 15 ml of orange juice, small side of your jigger.
And that's a nice fresh orange juice we've used. Well, the orange juice you'd find, in the refrigerator section of the supermarket right there. You probably don't want the shelf orange juice. You want that fresh sort of juice
You want
taste.
fresh orange, yeah?
So we've got a lemon juice, we've got our orange juice. What's next?
Honey, business. A good squeeze of honey.
Yeah, I've made this a little bit at home in sort of 20 to 30 mils. It depends how sweet you like your cocktail. You can see Lucas has given it a good squeeze in there. 20 to 30 mils, depends how sweet you like it. Your house, your rules. You can play around with it a little bit. So we've got a lemon juice, our orange juice, our honey. Lucas, surely we need some alcohol now.
Time for the fun part.
Wonderful.
We're going to use 45 ml of gin. One big side of your jigger.
Fantastic. Now we're actually just even spicing this up a little bit today. We're using the Warner's Honeybee Gin. You can see that product there. I'll hold that up to the camera. That's the Warner's Honeybee Gin. Wonderful gin product infused with honey. So it's even going to help this cocktail even more so. So we've got our gin. Lucas, before we shake this cocktail, let's just do a quick recap on the ingredients in our cocktail shaker so far.
All right, we have 15 ml of lemon juice. We have 15 ml of orange juice. We have a nice squeeze of honey and 45 ml of gin.
Excellent. Sounds fantastic. Let's ice this up and let's
Let's
shake
do
this. Fantastic. So Lucas is going to ice this cocktail shaker up and we're going to give this cocktail a really good shake and enjoy this bee's knees. I don't know if we mentioned yet, we're going to serve this into a coupe glass today. So you might use a martini glass. A glass that's sort of small-ish that you can strain into is probably the key for this cocktail, Lucas.
That's right. Yeah, you want one of those for sure.
Excellent. All right, Lucas, you are iced up there. Now, how do we put this shaker, this Boston shaker, together again for the folks out there?
All right, it's simple, but you cannot go straight like this.
We don't do it straight.
No, you.
What happens if we do
don't
it
wanna
straight?
go Hard to separate after that.
It's hard to separate.
We have to
Okay.
keep pulling.
Right. We don't want to no tug of war. Okay.
So you want to go in a bit of an angle like this and give it a hit here. That's it.
Excellent. That creates a vacuum and gives it a nice tight seal.
You're locked in now.
Excellent. Now, why are we shaking again? Just quickly, why is the reason we shake?
We want to mix the ingredients. We want to give the drink a certain texture. We want a little bit of dilution, and we want to get it nice and cold.
Excellent. All right, Lucas, shake away. Show us your
Let's
shaking
do this.
style. Let's do it. There we go, giving it all the life, all the energy, giving that cocktail a really, really good shake, moving those ingredients in the ice back and forth. He's done that before, folks. There we go.
There we
We've
go.
got some good separation there.
Yes.
Sorry, some good mixing in terms of all the ingredients. They're mixing thoroughly with all the different ingredients. Now we're going to get some separation of the glass and the tin.
Let's make sure we get separation. So where the tin and glass are touching, you want that facing at you. You want to hit the little gap that starts separating both of them right here. And you want both of your fingers pressing that way. Boom. After that, you want to give a bit of a squeeze with this hand. And you should get separation.
Excellent, fantastic. There, we've got a little bit of the honey residue in the glass. That's okay. That's going to happen with the honey and the coldness. The most of that honey is going to be mixed in through the cocktail. Lucas, how do we strain and serve this
All
cocktail?
right, let's strain this guy. You get your hot run strainer on top of your tin like this. Mash strainer on the bottom. And strain this bad boy.
And strain that through that gin, that honey, that lemon juice, that orange juice. You can see that's a really nice golden color. If you wanted to garnish it, Lucas, how would you garnish a cocktail typically? Maybe a little lemon wedge?
Yeah, lemon wedge, yeah, right.
A little wheel of
glass
orange.
in, yeah.
Something like that. Let me hold that up for you, folks. You can see that golden color of the bee's knees there. That is a sensational cocktail. Lucas, thanks very much for that.
Thank you.
Should we enjoy that now?
Yes.
Let's do it. See you next time.